Manju Taneja from RPIIT Medical and Technical Campus. Today we will focus on daily routine or everyday activities. How to talk about your daily routine. That is my today's topic. Let's move to the topic. I have already discussed about present indefinite tense in my last video. So when we talk about our daily routine in English, we use present indefinite or simple present tense. While talking about daily routine, I will divide the vocabulary into three parts, that is activities, connectors and time. Here are some important activities you do in your day. Wake up, get up, take a shower, get dressed, comb hair, have breakfast, go to work, start work, answer emails, have lunch, finish work, arrive home, feed the dog, cook dinner, have dinner, watch TV, go to bed. Now we have discussed about activities and let's have a look on time. If you are going to say the exact time of activities, then you will use at preposition. But if you are not sure about the timings, then you use around. I wake up at 7 a.m. That is the exact time. I wake up around 7 a.m. That is the approximate time. Now let's talk about connectors. You have all the activities you do, you have time at and around, but now you need to connect these phrases and these ideas. Here are some connectors. Then and when, after that, after school, after lunch, after dinner, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night, on weekends. Now create a creative story about your daily routine around these phrases and connectors. I wake up around 6 a.m. Then I get up at 6:30 a.m. Here is a difference. Wake up means you open up your eyes and get up means that is a physical activity, you get down from your bed. Brush my teeth, take a shower and get dressed. After that, I have my breakfast, use my mobile phone. When I finish breakfast, then I take the bus to work. I start work at 9 a.m. I have meetings, talk on phone and prepare documents and reports. At 1 p.m., I have my lunch. After lunch, I go back to my work. I finish work by 6 p.m. After work, I go to the gym. I like to exercise. After that, I go home. I get home around 7 p.m. Then I take a shower, have dinner and watch TV. I go to bed around 10 p.m. On weekends, I don't work. I usually stay at home and go out with my friends. The purpose of this video is to give you ideas how to structure your daily routine. This is a basic daily routine example that I have given to you in this lesson. I hope you will understand how to organize your ideas. I gave you words, help to organize your ideas, vocabulary, need to talk about your daily routine. Think about your daily routine and try to speak. I hope you will enjoy today's video. Please subscribe our channel RPIIT Academics.